Here we have Valgro's hybrid series machines. And they're hybrid machines because they're a combination of different brush heads depending on the application that is necessary. This series goes from 6 inches up to 5 feet in width. This particular unit is equipped with a wide belt sander as the first operation, and then a horizontal brush for the second operation, which both rotates and oscillates. So this is going to help take away surface defects as well as vertical burrs, and then the brush will take care of the side burrs, the horizontal burrs, in any openings and on the outside edges of the part. It is a roller feed system that's capable up to 12 millimeters thickness. It's automatic operation. We just feed the material in and then pick up the material on the backside.
Which metal sheet is preferred for hybrid series machines?
Typically for stainless steel, finishing and edge burr removal.
Right. Where is the finishing is required with the edge deburring and light grinding operation?
Right, so the light grinding will take scratches and light imperfections off the top of the material and basically make the material look like brand new.
It's a really nice machine. Because normal wide belt sander is easily available, but it cannot remove the bar after sanding operation. So this machine we can try now. Okay. So this is a very thick sheet, and the edge is very bar. Yeah, here is bar. See the bar. Okay, straight. एकदम slow speed में जा रहा हूँ. One sheet pass, you come there.
So inside here we can see we have the wide belt sanding. That's going to be the first operation, and that'll take any vertical burrs off of the part and then clean up the top surface of the metal. After that, it feeds into a nylon or Scotch-Brite type roller that both rotates and oscillates, and that allows us to remove the side burrs that, one, are created by the sanding operation, and two, are on the edges of the holes, inside openings, and the sides of the material, and then an outfeed system. So very robust system, very simple maintenance, easy to change the rollers and the belts, very well engineered.
Just the roller changes, we need to be remove only these 2 bolts.
Right, these 2 bolts are removed and then the shaft comes out, then we can replace the brush. And there's different series of brushes depending on the application. If you want more of a satin finish on the top of the material, we have a lighter brush that allows us to get a satin finish. If the burrs in the material, or they want to rough the top edge more than what this is the coarse grade Scotch-Brite, then we have combination brushes that are sandwiches between sandpaper and the Scotch-Brite material. So based on the application, we can equip it with the appropriate brush to get the results that the customer requires.
And also have the abrasive belt auto cleaning system.
Right, so there's air jets up here while the machine is running. This oscillates back and forth, and we blow the dust and material off of the belt so that the belt does not load up. So it extends the life of the belt and improves the consistency of the part finishing of the machine.
Thank you, Glenn, about this hybrid 62 series Valgro machines.
That's very nice. Thank you.